Today we are going to take a look at my newest build, or one of them. So this is my version of the infamous Paraset transceiver, or the Mark 7, the WW2 Mark 7 transceiver. These sets were used during the Second World War as intelligence or spy radios. They were used by the SOE, and a lot of resistance groups got these delivered by parachute, so hence the name Paraset. Alright, so there are a few versions of this. There's one in a wooden box, and there's this one with the steel box. So I opted for the steel box because, well, I enjoy working in steel, and I had previously built a spot welder, so I thought it was a good chance to try it out on something. Okay, so this is how it looks. I nickel plated the front panel. I have not yet made a serial number plate, and I haven't added any fonts or any text to the front panel. So we'll see how it goes with that. But on the other hand, as you can see, here is the main tuning for the receiver, reaction control, and the power amplifier tuning. Up here we have the socket for the transmitter tube, a 6V6. If we get that in picture, yeah, it's a 6V6 up there. And these sockets are for the receiver tubes. These are 6 SK7s. What else do we have? Send receive switch. These are the tank resonance indicators. These are just light bulbs with a 1-turn pickup loop inside of the tank coil. This is the crystal socket. This is the antenna socket. Yeah, and this is the built-in key. So I'm gonna open this little box up. I'm gonna show you how it looks on the inside, and after that we'll hook it up to the antenna, the power cord, and we'll see if there's anyone interested in a QSO with a Paraset. So if we begin here, this is the tank coil. These coil forms are bought from the Paraset guy, Henk, in the Netherlands. And the same goes for the receiver coil. Remember, this is a regen receiver, so it is fairly sensitive. Up here we have the audio choke. This one I made from an old EI core. I think it was a transformer from, yeah, I don't know. It was small. It had the correct size, so I made a new bobbin, and I used an electric drill to wind as many turns of very thin magnet wire, as many turns as I possibly could. And I think the final value ended up being like 11 or 12 henries, and that's sufficient. I get fairly good audio from this. The key. This is the body, made from acrylic glass, plexiglass. There's a return spring on the inside here. The arm is made from brass, and the contacts are old relay contacts. But I am very pleased with that.